Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is the BNB burn history. Okay, this is a complete guide. Just take a look at these levels. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at these levels, and these are the red lines or the areas when the BNB burning happened. Okay, just take a look at these dates. Okay, you're gonna look for the dates and then look for the price movements. Now we are approaching this area. We might see, you can see here on this line, on this red line here, and that is, if I show you the BNB, let me show you this one. Yeah, sorry, this one here. CZ mentioned in his tweet that BNB event is gonna take place, BNB burning event is gonna take place on 15th to 18th. Okay, in between the date. Okay, so these are the 15th, which happened back in April 2021. So I think this is the 16th burning here. You can see here this was the 15th burn, and after that 16th burn is going to take place. So let's take a look at here. You can see when it happened during the 7th burning, the price was $18. 8th burn 29, then 17, 17, 15, 17, 30, 45, and on 15th, okay, you see here on the 15th here the price went up $333. Okay, and previously you can see it happened approximately 1 million BNB was burned. Now if we take a look at these events which happened on the 15th BNB complete burning, here you can see total number of supply burnt was 0.65, and the USDT value was the largest among the previous one, that was 595 million, and at that time the price of BNB was $541. That was immense price at that time. So how much growth are we talking here? BSC reached as much as 4.9 million daily transactions as of April 8. Okay, that's 300% more than the Ethereum's all-time high in daily transactions. And the rest you can calculate here. You know that every project we see is launched on the BNB, the Binance Smart Chain project. So that's why the price of BNB is moving in the upward direction, is moving in the constant upward movement. So we might see some more movements in the coming weeks. I have already made a video on the BNB recently. You can check out that video on my channel. Now if we take a look at here the current situation is that it is ranked at 4. Okay, you can read all the stuffs here. Today over the 24 hours, 6% price has increased. 337 dollars is the price. And if I go to the chart, now this is the weekly chart. Okay guys, and I have predicted that already a few days ago. You can see here, if I turn on the daily, let me turn off the EMAs and let me show you what I predicted few days ago. You can see here, this is the area of resistance 329, and it has crossed that area of resistance, and now we might be heading towards this area. Let me show you this one. Okay, 348. Now this is our next resistance, and we might be going to hit this 348, and from there we might see some you can see the pullback or a retest or a confirmation or validation, you can call it. So what's gonna happen today, what I think is, let me tell you guys, let me tell you this one, making it here, dragging it here, let me show you. Just wait for a second guys, just wait for a second. Let me drag this one here and this one here and this one here. Now I told you guys that this is the area of this was the first resistance of 332 315 and 309, which had been successfully broken. You can see the price went up. Okay, and then it made another swing high, and now the price is moving in an upward parabolic move. So right now the price is going to, we might see another move, you know, to $348, and from there we can get a retest at this area, which is, let me draw another level here, which would be this one. Okay, 333. So we might see some, you know, retrace back to $333, and soon the burning is happening. We might see some price movement in the upward direction. And right now the current targets are 348, and the support would be now in between 329 to 333. So you can place your buy orders around this area, and from there we would be heading towards $348 very soon. And if we take a look at the volume is increasing. See here, we got a good volume on this green candle, although we got some less volume on this green candle. But I hope that as soon as the days end, we might see some, you know, close of the candle above this area. If it goes, if it happened here, you see, if this candle closes above this, you know, 333, then we might see some retracement back to this, a wick down, and then with a strong volume up, we would be testing, and we might reject, we might break this 348 level. So on its retest you can buy. Okay, you can place your buy orders on its retest 333, 329. So once we break $348, what would be the next target? That would be our next area, that would be here. Let me show you this one. Okay, so this would be our next you know, target, 370. So once we break 348, we would be heading towards 370, and from there, what would be the next target after that? We will be testing this area, and that would be 373, 88. Okay, these are the target levels. I'm not drawing these levels for you guys, so you guys can understand the target areas. So these are the levels. Okay, these are the levels. So it's not gonna go straight, like, you know, not like this. We will be testing like this one. Okay, the price is gonna stay here, then we might see some rejection and then a move up, then we might see some consolidation here, and then another move on the upside, then a retest here making somewhere around here, and then a move up. Okay, and then we might see some rejection again at this area or something like that, and then a move on the upside. And this is the pattern, you know, that's how the price moves. You can see if we take a look at the past. Let me, you know, change it to, you know, what are the candle types. Yeah, let me make it to the line chart. You can see here how the price behaved. Price came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, then went up, then again consolidated, came down, tested the previous swing high with previous swing low, then went up, tested this previous swing high, came down, tested this previous swing low. So that's how the price behaves. Okay, so if we take a look at this area, the price is testing this. These are the, you can see here, the previous swing highs. Let me convert into the, you know, Heikin chart. If we take a look at the Heikin, you can see here we are now in the green trend here at this level. And if I turn on the candles, the typical candles, now we are going in this direction. If I turn on the EMAs, you can see we have a, you know, the yellow line has just crossed the green line, which means, and the red line, which means the 13 EMA has crossed the you know, the 21 EMA. It's a good fast signal, but we have to wait for the confirmation or a retracement, because the BNB has grown 6% over the last 24 hours. We might see some retracement back to 333. So first buy orders would be here. In any case, the candle, you know, the area, if any candle closes below this area, then you're gonna place your buy orders around here. So these are the levels. Okay, this is the spot one. Now this is the one spot, this is the second spot, this is the third spot. Okay, keep that in your mind. And on the upside, you can place any targets. It depends on you. If you want to hold, you can hold. If you want to sell, you can sell at these levels. Okay, so these are the levels. So that's it from my side, guys. That was the price analysis of BNB, and BNB is the most secure investment you can invest into in 2021 and in the years to come. So that's it, guys. That was the price prediction of Binance Coin BNB. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.